2019 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, CD player, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, security system, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.